Are we on the verge of another massive meme coin cycle? And is Shiba Inu going to be the center of this? That's what I want to talk about with you guys. Now, this is from a former Goldman Sachs analyst. His name is hopefully I said this right, Mahmudov. And he stated that the crypto market is going to experience another meme coin cycle. Previously, he suggested that digital asset investors should stick exclusively to meme cryptocurrencies. Now, what you need to know is, we've gone through periods of basically mini sub-cycles during this crypto market so far, during the early bull market. We've gone from basically blockchain-based coins, governance tokens, gas tokens, things like that, to AI, to meme coins, back to AI, back to governance tokens, back to meme coins. And basically capital's kind of matriculated around the space over the past few months. Even on the run-up that we saw here back in the early part of the year, we were experiencing a lot of this similar thing, just these mini sub-cycles taking place. Now, what you need to know is that really these major cycles, this major meme coin cycle usually takes place when there is fresh capital entering the market. We haven't been at this point yet, okay? We've been at times now where, again, it's a lot of the same stuff just moving around the space. Some people are taking profits and leaving, and it is what it is, right? We go through these periods of ebbs and flows in and out of the market. Now, what you need to know is that historically speaking, as we get through basically July and into August, these are the times where optics outside the space start to heighten. People see discounts, people see stability, and obviously I know we just went on some big retracements in terms of Shib and really the rest of the crypto market, but this is where retail tends to flock in. And when retail tends to flock in, that's when Shiba Inu performs its best because it's a retail-driven coin. Now, there is something that I don't necessarily agree with that he said. Now, what we predicted was that back in April, Pepe would end up flipping both Shiba Inu and Doge by market cap. He also forecasted that WIF would also end up eclipsing Shiba Inu. And frankly, guys, I don't see that happening. Shiba Inu has become too much of a giant. Shib is kind of a mainstay, while some of these other ones are maybe shiny toy objects, and that's fine, right? There's new up-and-comers all the time. Shib is decentralized, it's a renowned smart contract, it's got a deflationary supply, and it is well embroiled in what everybody knows throughout the world, okay? Right now, Pepe is about 2.5x away from flipping Shib in terms of market cap. But Shib is on more exchanges. It has more optics throughout the world. People are paying more attention to it. It's in basically every single payment network out there. The ability to get Shiba Inu is far easier than what it is to get Pepe. The optics for Shiba Inu are much larger than what they are for Pepe as well. It's hard to flip something like Doge, like Shib, like BTC and Ethereum in that regard. But yet Shiba Inu, despite having less holders than Doge, less holders than Ethereum and BTC, it tends to be third in terms of some of these metrics. This is some of the things that I've talked about for a very long time when it comes to Shib, because the fundamentals have been so strong. So now we're talking about coins that frankly don't have as strong of fundamentals, basically out-fundamentaling Shiba Inu, right? Does that really make a lot of sense? It really doesn't. For example, even just look at over the last 7 days, guys can see that amongst some of these top assets outside of Brett down here, right? Shib is the most resilient. Shib has actually had some of the least retracement out of all these. In fact, yesterday, it was one of the strongest bounce backs in the crypto market, all right? When people are looking for opportunity, when they're looking for longevity and something that frankly has staying power in the space, Shib is the one that they're going to flock to. That's not to say these other ones aren't going to do well. That's not to say these other ones aren't going to, climb. I think that Shib is going to flip Dogecoin. I think that Pepe and WIF maybe have a chance of pushing Doge as well. But Shib is becoming one of those assets where it offers more for the world. It offers more for the crypto community than some of these other ones, all right? So I do believe that we have a big meme coin cycle coming. I believe Shib is going to be, again, the best performer in the top 20 over the course of this market cycle. It may not look like it during these times where, frankly, there's not a whole lot going on and prices are crap, but pay attention to when things get exciting again. Pay attention to when there's inflows from outside the space. Who are they flocking to? Where's the trading value at? And I think you may be surprised. So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.